today we are going to be preparing and getting ready to make our own, for the first time, fries for the freezer for the winter. So let's go ahead. I'm going to show you what we've got going on. We're going to do it together. Okay, so what happened was the store had potatoes go on sale. So these are 5-pound bags of potatoes, and what kind of potato is it? I'm not sure, but anyways, 5-pound bag of potatoes for 88 cents. So not even $1 a bag. I got 6 bags, or maybe I got 8. So anyways, less than, it's like $7 for all of the bags of potatoes. And I'm gonna show you how we're getting them prepped and ready and blanched and packaged for the freezer for French fries. So let me show you what we've got going on so far. Okay, so far I did 1 5-pound bag of potatoes, and all I used was one of these. It's actually my son and daughter's kitchen tool, and I just took a full potato and sliced it with this little wave thing. I don't know, it's gonna show now. Anyways, you can see that they're like crinkle cut, about the same width. So I've got 2 bowls full here, and that's what they're going to be. So once we have them prepped, I'll be able to take them out and I can make like a waffle fry for fish and chips, or if we have burger and chips or whatever you want French fries with. That's the cut. You can do any cut. I'm probably gonna do another bag, a 5-pound bag of just like straight cut. And then I'm going to preserve the other ones a couple other ways. I'm not sure yet if I'm going to do them all fries or if I'm going to can some just like I did last year. And if you want to can your own potatoes, I'll put the link in the description for last year's canning. Same process is what I would do this year if I'm going to do that again. Not sure, but I'm going to do this year because we eat French fries quite often. It's easy, and if you can turn a potato into French fries for your own freezer for 88 cents for a 5-pound bag, which is probably like 4 or 5 meals of French fries here for 88 cents, then yes. So anyways, let me turn my camera around, show you what they look like, and then let's start the process. So this is my sink here. 2 bowls full. I just kind of rinsed them so all the starch kind of was out of the water until the water ran pretty clear. I've got 2 bowls full, all roughly the same thickness, but there we go. So those are going to be our fries. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go over to the stove. Okay, so now what we're going to do is I have a large pot on the stove of water. You can see there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this pot of water up and boiling, and then I'm going to use this thing that I have, and just a couple scoops at a time, take from the water, put into the boiling water, 2 minutes, scoop them all out, and put them directly into an ice bath for a couple minutes, let them cool, and then I'm going to put them on cooking sheets on top of, you can do paper towel, but I'm going to do right on top of a like a cloth. So let's let this get up and boiled. I'm going to get my ice bath water ready, just like another pot of water that's cold with some ice in it. And then I'm going to get my cooking sheets ready to lay them out on. And then once they're on the cookie sheets, I didn't say, we're going to put them in the freezer, freeze them, and then we'll package them into Ziploc bags of French fries, and then we can label them and put them in the freezer. So I'm gonna let that boil. I'm gonna get the rest ready, and then we will do the process. So let's go ahead and get started once it's ready. Okay, so I've got my potatoes just waiting there. I've got 3 cooking sheets with just a towel on them. I just used my roasting pan and I put an ice bath there, waiting for the water to come to a boil, and then we will get the process going. So once this is boiling, we will get started. Okay, so we are ready. So I just emptied one of my buckets of potatoes and set them here so they're closer to my pot. So I'm literally just going to grab a handful like this, put them down into the boiling water, set my timer for 2 minutes, take them out, put them in this cold ice bath for a couple minutes, and then I'm going to put them onto these cloths on these trays. When the trays are full, we're gonna put them in the freezer. So the water is like 2 minutes from being boiled. When it is, I will do a time lapse of the process and then we will go from there. So let's go ahead and get them in the water. Okay, so here is that one bowl, blanched for 2 minutes and then laid out. So now that they're on here, I have to finish this second bowl, but I have to go get my son off the bus. So what I'm gonna do right now is just put these 3 trays in the freezer. I'm gonna let them freeze until tomorrow. And then when I get back in, I'll finish this other bowl. And then once they're frozen tomorrow, we will bag them and I will show you what we got out of one 5-pound bag of potatoes. Okay, so it is morning. They are all froze. Let's see. All froze, so let's go ahead and take them out and we can bag them up. Okay, so I've got all of the trays here. I'm literally just going to take them all off now and put them into big Ziploc bags, like the big freezer ones. These big freezer Ziploc bags. You can label them chip fries, French fries, and then the date if you want. Fill the bags as full as you want them. And just take as much out as you want to use them, just like you would from the ones at the store, and put them in the freezer. So let's go ahead and get all of these off the trays from frozen. You can see here they're all froze, and we're just gonna put them into bags just like this. So let me go ahead now and get those all packaged up. Okay, so there we go. I've got 2 bags full. I just labeled them fries, put the date, and I'm just gonna put these right into the freezer, and then whenever we have fish or burgers or something that we wanna have fries with, you're just gonna pull them out and make them as you would store-bought. So there you go. If you have a deal on potatoes, like we found, 88 cents for a 5-pound bag. This is what 88 cents of French fries looks like from one 5-pound bag of potatoes. So this will probably do for us, family of 4. This would probably do like 4 or 5 meals if we're having it as fries as a side with the meal. So I'm going to probably do another 3 or 4, actually might do all of the bags of potatoes that I got into fries. The other ones I do, I might just do like actual finger fried potatoes. But this turned out really good, super easy. I just lifted up all of the cloths, pulled them off, put them in the bag, and we'll probably use these up pretty quickly. It would honestly be good too, just in like a skillet with onions for like home fries too. So anyways, there you go, guys. That is how you turn. You want to say hi, babe? that is how you turn a bag of potatoes into French fries for the freezer that you can use at any time, and the whole process to do it. So there you go. Follow along if you want to give it a try. Let us know down below in the comments how it turned out for you. Like I said, this was just really easy and very effective. I know that it's going to come in handy, and we're going to do all the rest of them. So like this video if you found value. Share it to somebody who you know would find value in it as well. And as always, from the bottom of our hearts, we love and appreciate everybody for following along. And if you're ever wondering how I'm home with my daughter, doing the things like this that we love, and you just want to spend more time with your family, your loved ones, or doing things that you literally love to do, there's a link in my bio. I love linking arms with women just like the ones that follow along and watch me, and create an amazing life together. And I mentor people all the time. So if that's you, click the link in my bio, fill it out. I'd love to get to know you. But until then, let me know how these fries turn out for you guys. Let me know how you like the whole process. It was very simple and straightforward, but I'm just happy with how it all turned out. So there you go, guys. Try it for yourself and let us know how it is. And until then, we'll see you back here next time. Bye. You want to say bye?